This is Audible.
For Alan Layton, who was cheering for Dalinar and me before Stormlight even existed. Preface and Acknowledgements. Welcome to Oathbringer. It's been a long road creating this book. I thank you for your patience. Stormlight books are a huge undertaking, which you might be able to infer from the large list of people below. If you haven't had the chance to read Edge Dancer, a separate Stormlight novella taking place between books 2 and 3, I'd recommend it to you now. Find it sold on its own or in the story collection Arcanum Unbounded, which has novellas and novelettes from all across the Cosmere. The universe in which this series, Mistborn, Elantris, Warbreaker, and others take place. That said, as always, every series is written so it can be read and enjoyed on its own without knowledge of these other series or books. If you're intrigued, you can find a longer explanation I've written at brandonsanderson.com/Cosmere, Cosmere. Now, on to the parade of names. As I often say, though my name goes on the cover, there are tons of people involved in bringing you these books. They deserve my most hearty of thanks, and yours as well, for their tireless work across the 3 years it took to write this novel. My main agent for these books, and everything else, is the wonderful Joshua Bilms of Jabberwocky. Others at the agency who worked on them included Brady McReynolds, Christina Lopez, and Rebecca Eskildson. Special thanks also go to John Berline, my UK agent of Xeno, along with all of the sub-agents who work with us around the world. My editor-at-tour on this project was the ever-brilliant Moshe Fader. Special thanks to Tom Doherty, who has believed in the Stormlight project for years, and Devi Pillai, who provided essential publishing and editorial aid during the course of the novel's creation. Others at Tor who provided help include Robert Davis, Melissa Singer, Rachel Bass, and Patty Garcia. Carl Gold was our production manager and Nathan Weaver the managing editor, with Meryl Gross and Rafal Jibik in trade production. Irene Gallo was our art director, Peter Lutchen, the cover designer, Greg Collins, the interior designer, and Carly Summerstein, our proofreader. At Golance Orion, my UK publisher, thanks goes to Gillian Redfern, Stevie Finnegan, and Charlotte Clay. Our copy editor on this book was Terry McGarry, who has done excellent work on many of my novels. The e-book was prepared by Victoria Wallace and Caitlin Buckley and Macmillan. Many people at my own company worked long hours to produce this book. A Stormlight novel is crunch time for us here at Dragonsteel, and so make sure to give the team a thumbs up, or in Peter's case, a block of cheese, next time you meet them. Our manager and chief operations officer is my lovely wife, Emily Sanderson. Vice president and editorial director is the insistent Peter Ahlstrom. Art director is Isaac Stewart. Our shipping manager, and the one who ships you all our signed books and t-shirts via the brandonsanderson.com store, is Kara Stewart. Continuity editor and holy keeper of our internal continuity wiki is Karen Ahlstrom. Adam Horn is my executive assistant and publicity marketing director. Emily's assistant is Kathleen Dorsey Sanderson, and our executive minion is Emily Mem Grange. The audiobook was read by my personal favorite audiobook narrators, Michael Kramer and Kate Redding. Thanks again, guys, for making time in your schedule for this. Oathbringer continues the tradition of filling the Stormlight archive with beautiful art. We again have a fantastic cover illustration by Michael Whalen, whose attention to detail has given us an